Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, fake token is currently trading with about 8 zeros. That is, fake token have deleted 1 0. A few months ago, fake token was trading with 9 zeros, and this coin have continued to rise. Even today, in the past 24 hours, fake is hitting over 10% increase in price, with the market cap massively increasing in price. And I believe that if fake token continues this way, this coin is set to hit over 1,000% increase in price before the end of the year. So investing $100 and earning about $1,000, of course, is a high return on investment. So me, and I believe fake token will continue to increase. They have a lot of top exchanges that are supporting this coin, that have listed this coin. So I believe fake token will continue to rise gradually. Deleting a zero already is amazing, and I'm happy to see fake token continue to rise. And I hope that before the end of this year, this coin will hit over 1,000 or 2,000% increase in price. If fake token continues the way they have been increasing gradually, that they even push fake token to delete a zero, fake token will be ending the year trading with about 7 0 or 6 zeros. But what they did right now is top listing. If they can get top exchanges listing this coin, if you can get Kucoin, Binance, Coinbase listing this coin, is going to help this coin to gain a lot. What fake tokens still need also is the burning and destroying of fake token coins. They need to burn. I mean, they have a lot of coins out there, so burning these coins will definitely help fake token to increase in price.